should say, did you find anything that seemed to suggest that Greg revealed the affair?
I did.
Did you create an excerpt of the report showing what you found?
I did.
I'm approaching State's Exhibit 153. Is that the excerpt that you prepared?
It is.
Your Honor, at this time I would ask that State's Exhibit 153 be admitted as published.
Yes, sir, just under the rule of completeness, Your Honor, we're getting excerpts here, and that's okay to some extent, but if we'd like to have the complete conversation from these dates included for the jury's consideration.
On cross-examination, you can put in the entire conversation.
Thank you.
All right, State's Exhibit 153 admitted into evidence over defendant's objection.
And can be published, Your Honor?
Yes.
Thank you. Can you read this text conversation, please, including who it's to and from?
This is from the same HMMM, the owner of the device. Just talked to Greg, you busy? Then next, he goes, okay, well, she goes, okay, well, Greg does know I'm knocked up, and he said he would tell Erica to her face and would have a long time ago if he got the chance, but he had said he hasn't yet. He also said it's not him texting, and then just tried to make a cover for himself when he talked to Savannah. From the 1844 number, which is listed as Chris Dontell, double homicide, call you in a couple minutes. And then back the response from the owner, it's been more than a couple minutes, men, and I'm panicking. You're not going to be able to lie. He doesn't care, and he has enough proof.
And what is the date and time on that text conversation?
It would be September 28th, 2020, from 8:52:06 p.m. to 9:27:19 p.m. on the same date.
Did you also search the defendant's phone for text messages that indicated a potential plan to harm Greg?
I did.
Did you create an excerpt of the report of the relevant evidence that you found?
I created an excerpt, yes.
One minute. I'm approaching Your Honor, State's Exhibit. Don't move out yet. State's Exhibit 151.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that
This
the
is.
excerpt that you created? Your Honor, this time I would ask that Exhibit 151 be admitted and published.
I'm sorry, did you respond to this excerpt?
So keep your voice down.
Any objection?
Yes, sir, Your Honor, this is impermissible character evidence, subject to Rule 404.
Can you hand it up to the judge? Just show me the text. That's good.
Exhibit 151 admitted into evidence over defendant's objection.
And may it be published, Your Honor? Thank you.
This is a text excerpt from including conversation from the owner of the device and the number listed as Chris Dontell. From the owner, it goes, "The want and the doing is two different things. Hopefully it's slow for you again. Why don't you text me later when you want to eat? Greg Pub not getting kids today. He pissed at me." And this was sent on 9/28/2020 at 9:13 a.m. Still, but he being polite, "I'm all for popping a tire on the highway or cutting a brake line on him." From Chris Dontell, his reply was, "Unfortunately, I am too now."